Hello students, let us continue with chapter 6, lines and angles. In the previous class we learned the basic terms, but towards the end we learned about the linear pair axiom. Now based on those on that axiom, where we had two axioms 6.1 and 6.2 of your textbooks, there is another theorem that we need to prove. So let's read out the statement of this theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us first draw the figure for this theorem. Let's say I have two lines, line AB and line CD, intersecting at point O. Obviously, we can see that two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. One is angle AOC and angle DOB, and the other pair is angle COB and angle AOD. We need to prove that these pairs, this pair is equal to this pair and this pair is equal to this pair, right? So how are we going to prove that? Let us check. We'll say proof. Let lines AB and CD intersect at point O. Correct? Therefore, two pairs of vertically opposite angles, I am just saying VOA instead of vertically opposite angles, formed are AOC and DOB. Angle DOB and angle AOD and angle COB. So what do we need to prove? We need to prove that these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So I am going to say this is angle AOD and angle COB. Because I have already done this, AOC and DOB, AOD and COB. So I need to prove that these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So I'll say to prove that angle AOC is equal to angle DOB and angle AOD is equal to angle COB. So how are we going to do this? Let's check. If you notice over here, AB is a straight line and OC is a ray on it. So by using linear pair axiom, you can say that angle AOC plus angle COB is 180 degrees. Let's write this down. Ray OC stands on line AB. Correct? Ray OC stands on line AB, therefore using linear pair axiom, AOC plus COB, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. And in brackets I am going to write linear pair axiom. Correct? Now similarly, I have, so I took for AB, now let's take for CD because these are the two lines. We checked for AB, now how about CD? CD is this line. So ray OA is lying on line CD or DC, CD or DC. Therefore, by using the linear pair axiom, you have DOA plus AOC is equal to 180 degrees. So I'll mark this statement as 1. Not the linear pair, but this statement that we have arrived. AOC plus COB is 180 degrees. Now ray OD, CD. So ray OA stands on line CD. Therefore, angle DOA plus AOC is 180 degrees. I'll mark this as 2. By using what? Linear pair axiom. I'm just writing LPA instead of linear pair axiom. You please write the full form in your books and as well as in your exams. I'm just writing linear pair axiom because now we are familiar with this term. So now from 1 and 2, what can we say? The sum of these two angles is 180 degrees and the sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So if you see, the right hand sides of both these statements are the same. So we can obviously say AOC plus COB is equal to DOA plus AOC, correct? Therefore, from 1 and 2, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle DOA plus angle AOC. So what do you notice here? So now we have AOC plus COB is equal to DOA plus AOC. We have an equal to sign in between. Also we notice that AOC and AOC are same on both the left hand side and right hand side. So if you remember that we discussed axiom 3 of section 5.2 of your textbook, what does it say? Axiom 3 of section 5.2 of textbook. What does it say? If equals are subtracted from equals, then the remainders are equal. If you have not gone through the chapter 5 Euclid's geometry, this is one of the axioms there. Now since we are taking reference to this axiom, let me explain it to you so that even if you have not done the chapter, you at least have an idea what this means and how we are going to use this axiom. Let's say I have two pans that has chocolate A and chocolate A, and they have other chocolate, let's say X plus, and this pan has another chocolate, let's say Y. The weights of both these pans are equal. That means weight of this plus this is equal to weight of this plus this. Now according to this axiom 3, if I remove equals from equals, then the remainders are equal. So when I remove A from this pan 1, what is my remainder? X. And when I remove A from this pan, what am I left with? My remainder is Y. So when equals are subtracted from equals, my remainders are equal. Therefore it says that X is equal to Y. Correct? Similarly, we can apply the same logic here. Suppose this is my pan here and this is my pan. This is chocolate AOC and this is chocolate AOC. Okay, now the weight of these both pans are equal. So when I remove chocolate AOC from both the sides, my remainder in pan 1 will be chocolate COB, which is angle COB, and my remainder here would be chocolate DOA, which is angle DOA. So what do I get? Angle COB is equal to angle DOA. Angle DOA can be further rewritten as angle AOD. Why did I rewrite angle AOD and not DOA? Because see, this is DOA and it's the same, angle AOD, which is what we need to prove, that AOD is equal to COB. So if I just reverse these, I get angle AOD is equal to angle COB. So we have proved this. Similarly, I'll mark this as equation 4. Similarly, I can say we can prove that angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. I'll mark this as 5. So what can we conclude from 4 and 5 statements 4 and 5 or our results 4 and 5? That if two lines intersect each other at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So you can just write your statement, or you can just say, hence the theorem is proved. So with this we wind up the first section of your chapter 6. We'll take a look at the solved examples as well as exercise 6.1 in the forthcoming lectures. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.